Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 1 banking sales. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or you want to do it for a complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, economics, writing, and many more courses. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment: Excel 1 banking sales. You can contact me for your assignment help, your exam help, or your quizzes help, or you want to refer a complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email is given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Customer 1 is that open the file student Excel 1 banking sale. Basically, in this customer, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my portal. You can download easily from your portal. Here is project description to see idea to get idea about your project. Now you can see this is my Excel workbook. I have also downloaded this Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Okay, now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that merge and center the title and then subtitle across column A to F and then apply the title and heading 1 cell style respectively. Okay, basically in this question we will have to apply merge and center the title and then subtitle across column A to F and then apply title and heading 1 cell style respectively. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. First we will select range A to F. Okay, column A to F and then click on merge and center. Okay, it will be merge and center. Now then subtitle across column A to F. Okay, it's done. And apply the title and heading 1 cell style. Okay, you can select this and then select merge and center across the title. Okay, and then apply the title and heading 1 cell style respectively. Basically in this step we will have to apply heading 1 cell style on this ranges this. Okay, click on cell style and then apply heading 1 cell style is here. Okay, and then select this and then click on cell style and then select heading 1 cell style. Okay, this is done now. This is done. I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 3. In question number 3 you can see this. Moving on question number 3. Make cell A1 the active cell and then check spelling in your worksheet. Correct gluten to gluten. Select column A and then set the column weight to 24. Select column E and set the column weight to 12. Basically in this step we will have to check the spelling and then correct the spelling. Okay, make sure cell A1 is active cell. Moving on Excel workbook and then click on cell A1. Cell A1 is active cell. Okay, and then check spelling in your worksheet. Okay, and then check spelling in your worksheet. Click on review tab, click on spellings and then click on change all, then again change all, then press OK. Okay, this is done now. This is good. Correct gluten to gluten. Select column A and then set correct gluten to gluten. Okay, select column A and then set the column width to 24. Right click on column A and click on column width and then select the column A width to 24. Okay, right click on column A and then click on column width and you can change width of column A 24. Okay, then press OK. Column A which will be changed here and then select column E and set the column width to 12. Okay, right click on column E and then click on column width and you can change the date and column width to 12. Right click on column E and click on column width and change the data column E to 12 and then press OK. Okay, column E will width will be changed. Okay, this is done now. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 4. You can contact me for your complete course or your assignment help. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my screen. Question number 4 is that in Sally 4 construct a formula to calculate the total sales of the blueberry muffin mix by multiplying the quantity sold times the retail price. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. And basically in this question we will have to construct a formula column in Sally 4 to calculate the total sales of blueberry muffin mix by multiplying the quantity sold times the retail price. Okay. Moving on Excel workbook and then click on Sally 4. Okay. Moving on Excel workbook, click on Sally 4 is press is equal to and then construct a formula quantity multiplying by quantity sold time the retail price. Okay, then press is enter and then it will be calculate, it will find the total sales of blueberry. Okay, copy the formula down for the remaining products. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. Okay, total sale will be found and then copy the formula down remaining products. This is done now. This is good now. Now moving on question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 5 is that select the range E4 to E10 and then use the quick analysis tools to sum the total sales for all products, which will be formatted in bold to the total in cell E11. Apply the total cell style. Basically in this question, first we will select this range and then use quick analysis tools to sum the total sales for all products. Okay, then we will apply bold and then total in cell E11. Apply the total cell style and then we will apply cell style, total cell style on this. Okay. You can contact me for your complete course through my WhatsApp and email. I can do I can do all online courses. Okay. First we will select this range. Okay, then right click on this, click on quick analysis. First we select this range and then right click on this. Okay, right click on this, open the quick analysis tool and then click on totals, click on sum. Okay, it will be find sum of total sales is here. Okay, then which will be formatted as bold and then we will apply bold on here. Select this column and then click on home tab. Okay, go to the home tab and then click on bold. Then apply total cell in 11, apply the total cell style. Okay, click on home tab, go to the home tab, click on bold and then apply total cell style. Okay, this is done now. This question is completely done. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 6. In question number 6, using absolute cell references as necessary so that you can copy the formula in cell F4, construct a formula to calculate the percent of total sales for the first product. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. Basically in this question we will using absolute cell references as necessary so that you can copy the formula and cell F4, construct a formula to complete the percent of total sales for the first product, copy the formula down for the remaining product. Okay, and first we will move on Excel workbook and then click on cell F4 and then we will enter a formula, construct a formula in cell F4. Okay, click on cell F4. First we enter is equal to. Click on cell F4. First we will enter is equal to. Okay, then total sale divided by E11. E10, sorry. Then press enter. Enter dollar sign and then press enter. It will be find percentage of total sales. Okay, then press enter. E4 divided by, okay, it will be fine percentage of total sales. Okay, copy the formula down. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. This is good. Now you can see this. Now moving on next question. I have done 6 questions of this assignment. The next question is question number 7. To the computed percentage, apply percentage style with 2 decimal place and then center the percentage. Okay, basically in this question we will apply percentage style on this column and then apply 2 decimal place and then center the percentage. Go to the alignment tab and then select center the alignment. I can handle all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, and many more courses. Let me know, please, if you need help in any courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my screen. Okay. And apply percent style with 2 decimal places. Moving on Excel workbook. Okay, go to the home tab, click on number group, click on percent style with 2 decimal places. Okay, then the center the percentage. Go to the alignment tab and then select center alignment. Okay, here is center alignment. This is good. Now you can see this. You can see on my screen. I have done 7 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 8. For question number 8 is apply the comma style with no decimal places to the quantity sold figure to cells D4, E4 and E11. Apply the counting number format. Basically in this question we will have to apply comma cell style with no decimal places to the quantity sold figure. Okay, mean quantity sold column, we will apply comma style with no decimal places. Okay, then to cell D4, E4 and E11 apply accounting number format. Okay, basically in this step first we will apply on quantity sold column comma style with no decimal places and then we will select the column cell D4, E4 and E11 and then we will apply accounting number format on the cells. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Moving on Excel workbook and select quantity sold. Okay, then click go to the number group and then select comma cell with no decimal places. Okay, then we will select D4, E4, E11, apply accounting number format. Okay, D4, apply accounting number format is here. Go to home tab, go to number group and then select accounting number format. Okay, then E4, go to the number group and then apply accounting number format and then select E11 and then go to the number group and then apply accounting number format on this cell E11. Okay, this is done. Now you can see I have done 8 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 9. For question number 9 is that to the range D5 to E10 apply the comma style. Basically in this question we will select first this range. We will have to select this range and then apply comma style. Okay, you can select this range first and then apply comma style. Okay, this range. Okay, go to the home tab and then go to the number group and then apply comma style on this range. Okay, this is good now. Okay, you can see I have done 75% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, You can contact me for you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course. You can contact easily through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will provide you A plus grade in your all assignment, in your all quizzes, in your all complete course, and no plagiarism, professional work, and delivered on time. Kindly contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all online courses. I am handling many students' courses from Canada and USA and UK. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email easily, and I will handle your complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.